Are you or your loved ones struggling with weak muscles, body stiffness, or loss of strength as age increases? It's a common problem. In fact, doctors say that after the age of 50, the average person loses almost 1 to 2% of muscle mass every year. That means by the time we reach 70, our strength and mobility can drop dramatically, but here's the good news: you can fight back. With the right diet and lifestyle, seniors can rebuild strength, protect their muscles, and stay active well into their 70s and 80s. And the best part is you don't need expensive supplements or protein shakes. In today's video, we're going to reveal the 4 powerful foods every senior should eat daily to keep their muscles strong, flexible, and full of energy. These foods are backed by science, research, and practical experience. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to add to your diet to fight weakness and unlock stronger muscles. But wait, before you think this is going to be a boring health lecture or that you'll need fancy supplements, let me assure you, these are simple, everyday foods you can buy at your local grocery store. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and scientifically proven to help seniors stay strong. Stay with me till the end, because the last food on our list is something most seniors ignore, but studies show it works like a hidden muscle protector. Number 1, eggs, the complete protein. Eggs are often called nature's multivitamin because they're packed with nutrients. Each egg has 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, perfect for repairing and building muscles. They also contain vitamin D for stronger bones and vitamin B12 to fight fatigue and weakness. Research reference: a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who ate more protein, especially from eggs, had a 30% lower risk of muscle loss. How do you add it? 1 to 2 boiled eggs for breakfast, scrambled eggs with vegetables, or egg whites if you want a lighter option. Number 2, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Fatty fish are a goldmine of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, less joint pain, faster muscle recovery. It also helps your muscles respond better to protein, making every bite more effective. Plus, fish is loaded with vitamin D to prevent weak bones and sore muscles. Research reference: according to the Journal of Gerontology, seniors who consumed omega-3 had better muscle function and walking speed. How do you add it? Eat fatty fish at least 2 times per week. Baked salmon, grilled sardines, or even fish curry. Don't you like fish? Try fish oil supplements with your doctor's advice. Number 3. Greek yogurt or low-fat yogurt gives you double benefits: high in protein plus high in calcium. Protein repairs muscles while calcium strengthens bones and prevents cramps. Greek yogurt is especially powerful, twice the protein of regular yogurt. Plus, probiotics improve digestion and help your body absorb nutrients better. Research reference: according to Harvard Health, seniors who ate daily dairy had fewer fractures and less muscle weakness. How do you add it? 1 cup of Greek yogurt as a snack. Smoothie with fruit. Use instead of heavy cream or mayonnaise. Number 4, leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli. Leafy greens are hidden gems for seniors. They're rich in magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and nitrates, all linked with stronger muscles. Magnesium reduces cramps, potassium balances fluids, and nitrates improve oxygen use, less fatigue when walking or exercising. Research reference: a Journal of Nutrition study found that seniors who ate leafy greens daily had 11% stronger leg muscles, How do you add it? A bowl of spinach salad with olive oil. Stir-fry kale with garlic. Add broccoli to soups or curries, or even a green smoothie. Bonus tip: hydration and habits. Now here's something most seniors forget. Hydration. Muscles are 70% water. Without enough fluids, muscles feel stiff and weak. So drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Herbal teas and soups also count. Also, try to cut down on processed foods, excess salt, and sugary snacks because they drain your energy and weaken muscles. So seniors and caregivers, start adding these 4 muscle-boosting foods into your daily meals. Eggs, fatty fish, yogurt, leafy greens, along with proper hydration and an active lifestyle. They'll help you stay strong, flexible, and independent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your parents or grandparents, and subscribe for more health tips. And tell me in the comments, which of these foods will you add to your diet first?